Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to this channel Explore More and Learn. Friends, today I want to ask you some questions and expect an honest answer from you all. Tell me, do you face any difficulty to find out grammatical errors in English, especially when you are appearing for any competitive exams or board exams? Or do you find yourself confused to find out grammatical mistakes? If your answer is in yes, then this video tutorial is absolutely for you all. And I'll explain very important grammar rules in detail with example. And if you watch this tutorial carefully, then I'm sure that you'll be able to find out any kind of grammatical error very quickly, whether you speak in English or you write in English. So please watch this tutorial carefully and don't miss it. Okay, so let's begin, and today's topic will be subject-verb agreement. As I have divided this topic into two parts, so this is part 1. And I'm going to explain very important grammar rules for all competitions. So this tutorial is going to be very useful for you. So I hope these rules help you. So let's begin, but before that I want to remind you that if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe by pressing this subscribe button, and don't forget to press this bell icon so that you may get notification for the next tutorial. Okay, so let's begin. Rule number 1. When two or more singular subjects are connected by and, the verb will be in plural. I repeat it again. When two or more singular subjects are connected by and, the verb will be in plural. Now I'll give you some examples. He and I were going to the market. He and I were going to the market. Here, he, I, these are two singular subjects connected by and the verb, which I have highlighted with red color, this is plural. This verb is plural. Were. Why? Because he and I, which are two singular subjects, are connected with and, A-N-D, and. He and I were. That's why verb is not was. It is were, which is plural. So he and I were going to the market. This is correct sentence. If I say he and I was going to the market, this will be incorrect. Okay, you got it? Two singular subjects connected by and the verb is plural. Next example, Sam, Raj and Ravi are going there. Here Sam, Raj, Ravi. Two or more subjects, they are connected by and the verb is are. It's not is. Sam, Raj and Ravi is going there. No, this will be incorrect. The correct sentence is Sam, Raj and Ravi are going there. Okay, so this is the rule about using verb. Now, rule number 2. When two or more nouns make one unit, the verb must be singular. When two or more nouns make one unit, the verb must be singular. For example, rice and curry is my favorite food. Here you see we are using singular verb, that is. Rice and curry. Though rice and curry, these are two things, but when they are combined together, they make one unit. That's why we are using singular verb. Rice and curry is my favorite food. Okay? Bread and butter is available today. Here you see again, we are using singular verb, as bread and butter make one unit. Next example, slow and steady wins the race. Not slow and steady win the race. Why? Because slow and steady make one unit. That's why we are using singular verb, that is wins. Okay, so this was rule number 2. Now next rule number 3. If you have each, everyone, either, neither, many, a in a sentence, the verb will be in singular number. If you have each, everyone, either, neither, many, a in a sentence, the verb will be in singular number. For example, each girl was given a chance to speak. Everyone is invited today. Neither of the answers is right. Many a writer has come there. Now you see here in first sentence we have each, that's why the verb is singular, was. Everyone is invited today. As we have everyone, that's why the verb is also singular. Here you see neither. Neither is there. Neither of the answers. That's why we are using verb in singular number. That is. We are not considering answers, which is in plural. We are considering neither. Neither of the answers is right. Okay. Now many a writer has come there. Remember, if you have many a, then the verb will always be singular. And the subject followed by many a will always be in singular number. Like here you see subject followed by many a will be in singular number. If you can notice, like writer is in singular number. We are not writing many writers. We are writing many a writer. And the verb is also in singular number, that is has, not have. Okay. When we use only many, then we have plural subject, like many writers have come there. But here we are writing many a. That's why many a writer has come there. Okay. So this was rule number 3. Remember this. Now next rule number 4. One of is always followed by plural noun, but the verb is always singular. One of is always followed by plural nouns, but the verb is always singular. For example, one of the children has performed well. One of my friends has got an award today. You see, one of the children, not child. So, though children is in plural, but the verb is in singular. Why? Because we have one of. And remember this, one of is always followed by plural noun. Because we are talking about one child among many children. That's why the verb is singular. I have seen many people, those who use singular noun after one of, like one of my friend, they say like that, or one of my favorite book, but that's wrong. Okay, so remember this, one of my friends has got an award today. Here you see friends is in plural, as I am talking about one of my friends. That means I am talking about one friend among many friends. You got it? So one of my friends. Why am I saying like that? One of my friends, because I am talking about one friend among many friends. So one of my friends has got an award today. And the verb will be in singular. Okay, now next rule. Rule number 5. When two nouns are linked by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the latter noun. When two nouns are linked by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the noun which comes later. For example, neither tea nor biscuits were available there. Neither biscuits nor tea was available there. I have just changed the position of the subject so that I may explain you in better way. Like you see, first example, neither tea nor biscuits were available there. So which subject has come later? That is biscuits. and it's plural. That's why verb is also plural. Understood? When two nouns are linked by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the noun which comes later. Here biscuits come later and tea is before biscuits. That's why we are considering verb according to the subject which is coming later. Now neither biscuits nor tea was available there. Here tea comes later. That's why the verb is also in singular number. Got it? So whatever the subject comes later, we have to consider its number, whether it is plural number or singular number. If it is a plural, then the verb will be plural. If it is singular, then the verb will be singular. Got it? So this was rule number 5. Rest of the rules I'll explain in next part 2. Okay? So if you have liked this video tutorial, then press like and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay? So thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.